Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have the target ready and the text selected. Now open the hyperlink dialog. Once you press Ctrl+K or choose Insert then Link, the dialog appears. You'll see a field labeled Address or Link to. Paste a URL, type a file path, enter mail to someone at example.com or pick a bookmark. Doing this ensures Word knows both the display text and the destination. Make sure the display text is correct, because that's what your reader will click. Once the dialog is open, pick the correct link type so Word resolves it properly. If you link inside the document, choose Place in this document and select a heading or bookmark. For email, use mail to, with a subject if needed. You can change display text to keep wording concise and click Screen Tip to add a short hover note. For local files, prefer full paths when sharing, otherwise links may break. Make these choices deliberately so the link behaves for other users. Click OK to create the link, then immediately test it. Ctrl+click the link or single click depending on your Word settings. You want to verify it opens the exact page, file, or email compose window. If it doesn't work, right-click and choose Edit Hyperlink to correct the address or switch to an absolute path for files. As a troubleshooting tip, if links to local files fail for recipients, save the files to a shared location or attach them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.